Hello students, welcome back to my class. Today I am going to complete the chapter Desert Animals. I have taught you part 1 in previous class. Now this is the part 2. You can say this is the part 2. So today I am going to start explaining the chapter from where I left last time. So last time I have taught 3 points. Now we will start from point number 4. So see this paragraph. In this paragraph it is given mongoose like to hunt together, but they always keep a lookout for dangerous predators. Predators, an animal naturally preying on you can say others. Predators nearby. Mongoose like to hunt together. We can also find the mongoose in desert, and they like to hunt together. Whenever they go for hunt, they go together. They don't go alone for hunting. Mongoose like to hunt together. जब भी वो शिकार के लिए जाते हैं क्या करते हैं? साथ में जाते हैं. But they always keep a lookout for dangerous predators nearby. But they always see, is there any predators, is there any other animal that can attack them? They always keep a lookout for those kinds of animals, those kinds of dangers too. वो ये भी देखते रहते हैं कहीं कोई ऐसा तो जानवर नहीं है जो उनके ऊपर ही हमला कर दे. For dangerous predators nearby, poking you can say झांकना, looking into, poking their noses into holes, overturning rocks with their paws and scratching the ground with their sharp claws. Banded mongoose are very amusing animals to watch. Now the writer is going to tell us different kinds of activities that the mongoose do. So he is going to tell us that poking in their noses into holes. Sometimes we can find the mongoose poking in their noses into small holes. कभी कभी हम मंगूस को देख सकते हैं कि वो क्या छोटे छोटे जो होल्स होते हैं उनमें जो है उसको झांकते हुए, उसमें लुक करते हुए, उसमें देखते हुए हम देख सकते हैं उसको. पोकिंग देयर नोज इनटू होल्स. समटाइम्स वी कैन फाइंड द मंगूस लुकिंग इनटू देयर होल्स overturning rocks with their paws. We can also see the mongoose overturning rocks with their paws. अपने पंजों से जो है कुछ रॉक्स होते हैं उनको जो है टर्न करते हुए देख सकते हैं, उनको जो है इधर उधर करते हुए देख सकते हैं. विद देयर पॉज एंड स्क्रैचिंग द ग्राउंड्स विद देयर शार्प क्लॉज. वी कैन आल्सो सी मंगूज स्क्रैचिंग द ग्राउंड विद देयर शार्प क्लॉज. दे कैन स्क्रैच द ग्राउंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ देयर शार्प क्लॉज. बैंडेड मंगूज. बैंडेड अ कलर ऑफ बैंड, धारियाँ जो बनी होती हैं, धारियाँ हम कह सकते हैं. बाइंडेड मंगूस आर वेरी अम्यूजिंग जॉयफुल यू कैन से, अम्यूजिंग, इंटरेस्टिंग आल्सो, आर वेरी अम्यूजिंग एनिमल्स टू वॉच. एंड द बाइंडेड मंगूस आर द वेरी अम्यूजिंग, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एनिमल्स टू वॉच. They are very interesting animal. If you are going to watch those animals, you will be very here can see you will enjoy a lot. A common sight in many parts of Africa, they travel in groups of about 20 to forage for beetles. Forage, search for food. Beetles, millipedes and other small creatures. A common sight in many parts of Africa. A common sight means you can find in many parts of Africa, you can find the mongoose in many parts of Africa. Common sight means you can always find, you can always see. आप हमेशा देख सकते हैं, जब भी कहीं बाहर निकलेंगे आप मंगूस को देख सकते हैं. They are common to see. A common sight in many parts of Africa, they travel in groups of about 20. They travels about a group of 20. Means they always travel in groups. They always go for hunt in groups. 20 to forage for beetles, to forage in search of food. in search of food, in search of hunting for beetles. Millipedes कनखजूरा हिंदी में जिसको कहते हैं, means there are different, these are the insects that they hunt for their food. And other small creatures, not only beetles and millipedes, they also hunt other small animals, other small creatures. Now see the next one. They like to hunt together, keeping in touch whenever they go out of sight behind rock or bushes by twittering and calling. They like to hunt together. It is said in last paragraph too that they always go together for hunt. So they like to hunt together, keeping in touch whenever they go out of sight. Keeping in touch, they always keep in touch with each other, although sometimes they are out of their sight. कभी कभी जो क्या है, साइट से दूर होते हुए भी, नज़रों से दूर होते हुए भी वो क्या है, आपस में टच में रहते हैं. सो दे आर डिफरेंट वेज ऑफ कीपिंग इन टच. In touch whenever they go out of sight behind rocks or bushes by twittering and calling. While they are behind the rocks or bushes, they keep in touch by twittering and calling, by making some kinds of noises. कुछ आवाज़ें निकालते हैं, उन आवाज़ों के द्वारा क्या है, वो एक दूसरे से कनेक्ट रहते हैं, एक दूसरे के टच में रहते हैं. Twittering and calling, always on the lookout for danger, take cautions against the danger. They communicate with each other to keep away themselves from danger. For examples, hawks, eagles and large snakes. Hawks, eagles and large snakes can attack them. So they look out those kinds of dangers. If there are any danger around them, they become cautious. They become cautious to save themselves. They warn one another with a special alarm call. They warn one another. There are special alarm call. There is special sound that they make to warn one another. एक दूसरे को वार्न करने के लिए उनके पास एक स्पेशल साउंड होता है. उस साउंड के द्वारा, उस आवाज़ के द्वारा वो एक दूसरे को क्या करते हैं, वार्न करते हैं फॉर द डेंजर. दे वार्न फॉर द डेंजर विद द स्पेशल साउंड. इफ दे spot anything suspicious, you can say doubtful. If there is anything doubtful, if there is anything suspicious, they warn each other with some kinds of alarm, some kinds of sounds. Now see the next one. The next one is, mongoose are famous for being able to kill snakes without getting hurt themselves. Mongoose are also famous to kill the snakes. How? For being able to kill snakes without getting hurt themselves. Without getting hurt themselves. अपने आप को नुकसान पहुंचाए बिना वो सांप को मार देते हैं, इसके लिए वो फेमस है. Mongoose are famous for killing the snakes without getting hurt themselves. Their reactions are so fast that they can dodge each time the snake strikes. Their reactions are so fast. They are so fast. And because of that quickness, because of that fast you can say action, because of that quickness, they dodge all the time the attack of the snake. सांप का जो अटैक होता है उसको हर बार वो डॉज दे देते हैं, हर बार उससे जो है वो बच जाते हैं. यू कैन से डज ना मूव क्विकली टू अवॉइड इट्स एनिमी, अपने एनिमी से बचने के लिए जल्दी से इधर उधर हो जाना. दैट इज कॉल्ड द डॉज. Their reactions are so fast that they can dodge each time the snake strikes. They continually make a nuisance of themselves until after a while, when the snake gets tired, they quickly dive in for the kill. They continuously make a nuisance of themselves. They continuously show that they are nuisance, that they are inconvenience. They are not able to kill the snake. They are not able to attack the snake. They make themselves nuisance whenever snake is going to attack them, but of themselves until after a while, कुछ समय के बाद फिर क्या होता है, when the snake gets tired, now it is the time of mongoose to attack. They don't attack the snakes until the snake is tired. जब तक स्नैक थक नहीं जाता तब तक वो हमला नहीं करते. They only dodge the snake. सिर्फ वो डॉज देते हैं, सिर्फ वो बचते रहते हैं स्नैक से. But when the snakes get tired, they quickly dive in for the kill. They quickly dive on the snake to kill them. And because of the tiredness, snake is not able to bear the attack of mongoose. So they are clever. They are clever from defeating their enemy. Now see the next one. All the female mongoose have their kitten at about the same time. All the female mongoose give their kitten here you can say babies, have their kitten at about the same time, means the time period is same for all the females for their kitten. And they are raised by the whole group in a den made inside an old termite mound, a hollow log. They are raised by the whole group in a den. The babies, the kitten are raised by the whole group in a den. They keep their babies into a den. अपने बच्चों को den में जो है रखते हैं और पूरा ग्रुप उनकी देखभाल करता है. whole group take care of those kitten. Made inside an old termite mound. Sometimes those dens are made with the help of an old termite mound. Termite means white ant. ऐसे माउंट, ऐसी जगह, ऐसे जो है माउंट, ऐसी जो है जगहें, ऐसे जो है प्लेसेस जो चींटियों ने बना रखे होते हैं, उनको एज अ डेन वो यूज़ करते हैं. समटाइम्स made inside an old termite mound a hollow log, or sometimes they use a hollow log. एक ऐसी लकड़ी जिसमें अंदर जो है खोखलापन हो गया हो, उस तरह की लकड़ी में भी वो अपने डेन को बनाते हैं. Mount a hollow log, or sometimes they make their den in hollow log. When most of the adults are out looking for food, one or two males stay behind to stay guard until the others return for the night. When most of the adults are out for search of food, 2 or 3 adults, 2 or 3 males stayed with the kitten, stayed with the babies to take care of them, that no one can attack them, to take care, to stand guard until the others return for the night. Until the others return in the night. जब तक कि दूसरे रात तक वापस नहीं आ जाते, वो वहाँ से जो गार्ड का काम करते हैं, जो तो 3 मेल होते हैं जो बच्चों की देखभाल करते हैं, वो वहाँ से हिलते नहीं हैं, वो वहीं पर रहते हैं. Now see the next one. Another animal which lives in the desert is the camel, and it is very famous. As you know, camels are called the sheep of desert. So camels are the most famous animal of desert. Camel is the most famous animal of the desert. Camels were first domesticated by people many thousands of years ago. Camels were domesticated, they were tamed by human beings many thousands of years ago. राइटर हमको बता रहा है कि कैमल्स को जो है हजारों साल पहले इंसानों ने डोमेस्टिकेट किया था, उनको पालतू बनाया था. Domesticated by people many thousands of years ago in the wild. In the wild, wild here means forest only. In the wild, in the forest, camels usually live in small groups of up to 30 animals. Camels live in small groups. The group may be up to 30 animals. Group में 30 तक हो सकते हैं. Means groups are always small, not much big. In the wild, जंगलों में, Camels usually live in small groups of up to 30 animals. Camels lives in small groups. The group may be up to 30 animals. Camels have long, shaggy winter. Shaggy, which is covered with hair, thick hair. With long, thick hair, you can say. Camel have long, shaggy winter coats to keep warm and shorter, tiddier coats in the summer to keep cool. Camels have long, shaggy winter coats. Their hair work as the winter coats in winter. They keep themselves, you can say, warm during the winter. Keep warm and shorter, tiddier coats, and they have also shorter, tiddier coat. Tiddier, neat coats. Shorter, छोटे और neat coats होते हैं. Coats means small hairs. Here you can say tiddier coats in the summer to keep cool, and those coats also keep them cool in summer. So they are very helpful. The hairs of camels are very helpful during winter and summer. In winter they keep themselves warm, and in summer they keep themselves here can say cool. A thirsty camel can drink as much as 30 gallons of water. If there is a thirsty camel, that camel can drink as much as 30 gallons of water. A thirsty camel can drink 30 gallons water. It is a large quantity. It's a large amount. So they can drink 30 gallons of water. That's about 500 full glasses. That will be equal to 500 full glasses. 30 gallons का मतलब 500 full glasses के बराबर होगा पानी. And in just 10 minutes. And then they can drink those 500 glasses or 30 gallons only in just 10 minutes. सिर्फ 10 मिनट में वो इतना ज़्यादा पानी पी सकते हैं. Normally, however, it gets all the moisture it needs from desert plants and can survive for up to 10 months without drinking any water at all. However, it gets all the moisture it needs from desert plants. Camels get all the moistures that they need from the desert plants. उनको moistures की जितनी भी ज़रूरत होती है वो desert plants से उनको मिल जाते हैं. And can survive for up to 10 months without drinking any water at all. And they can survive, they can keep themselves alive. They can survive in desert up to 10 months without drinking water by taking the moistures from the plants, from the desert plants. वो सिर्फ डेजर्ट प्लांट से मॉइस्चर्स लेकर के ही 10 महीनों तक बगैर पानी पिए हुए रह सकते हैं, जिंदा रह सकते हैं, सर्वाइव कर सकते हैं. एंड कैन सर्वाइव फॉर अप टू 10 months विदाउट ड्रिंकिंग एनी वाटर एट ऑल. नाउ दिस इज द लास्ट पैराग्राफ ऑफ दिस चैप्टर. सो इन द लास्ट पैराग्राफ इट इज गिवन there are two different kinds of camels. There are two different kinds of camels. Camels can be divided into two different kinds. One known as the dromedary has only a single hump. The other is called a Bactrian camel and has two humps. One camel has only one hump and the other camel has two humps. एक कैमल के पास सिर्फ एक कूहड़ होता है और एक दूसरा जो काइंड होता है उसके पास दो कूहड़ होते हैं. सो वन नोन एज द ड्रोमेडरी. द ड्रोमेडरी हैज ओनली वन hump and the Bactrian has two hump. So there are two kinds of camels. The humps help the animal to survive in the desert. The hump help the animals to survive in the desert. How? It is given here. In the desert by acting as storage containers. The humps act as the storage container for the camels. hump क्या है? एक storage container की तरह से काम करता है जहाँ पर एक ऐसे कंटेनर की तरह से काम करता है जहाँ पर वो चीज़ें स्टोर कर लेते हैं, जहाँ पर वो कुछ न कुछ चीज़ें स्टोर कर लेते हैं. सो दे स्टोर हियर, दे स्टोर द fat, they store the fat in their hum. So it act as storage container, but they don't store water as many people wrongly believe. As we believe that camel can store the water, but it is not right according to the writer. This is not right. But they don't store water. They can store the fat in their humps, but they don't store water at all. As many people strongly believe, as many people as we believe that camels can store the water, but it is totally wrong. They are full of fat. They are full of fat. Their humps are full of fat. There isn't any water. In their humps we can find the fat, but there isn't any water. This fat nourishes the camels when food is scarce. Scarce means rare, very difficult to find. If there is only a little food, if there isn't any food, that fat nourishes the camel on that condition. If the conditions are not in favor of camels, they are not getting the food, they can use the fat to nourish themselves. This fat nourishes the camels when food is scarce. If they have nothing to eat for several days, their humps shrinks become smaller, sigud jana, shrinks as the fat is used up. If they have nothing to eat for several days, their humps shrinks, their humps become smaller because they use the fat of those humps for their food. If they have nothing to eat for several days, their humps shrinks as the fat is used up, as the fat is used up, as the fat is used up as the nourishment, as the food. There are many other ways in which camels are adapted. Adapt means to make suitable. Adapted to desert life. There are many other ways too in which camels adapt themselves according to the desert conditions. They are able to adapt themselves according to the conditions of the desert in different ways. Desert life. Their mouths are so tough that even the sharp thorn cannot pierce through. Pierce through, break through, here you can say. Their mouths are so tough. Their mouths are very tough. They are so tough that even the sharp thorn, if there is any sharp thorn, that sharp thorn cannot pierce through. That sharp thorn cannot pierce through, cannot, you can say, break through into their mouth. उनके मुंह इतने जो है टफ होते हैं, इतने मजबूत होते हैं कि जो नोकीले कांटे होते हैं वो भी उसको भेद नहीं सकते. सो दिस इज द चैप्टर. नाउ द चैप्टर इज एंडेड. सो माय क्लास इज नाउ एंडेड. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.